Well, it's time to open a very special package. I got this from Ed at Redbeard Knife and Tool. Good buddy. I found a handle in the ashes and debris in the burned down shop, and he said, "Hey, send that to me. I want to do something." So I did. Now I'm gonna find out what he did, because he sent it back to me. So let's open it up. Let's see. All right, so there's some extras in here, and let's just take this out so we can. All right. Oh man, it's gonna be awesome. Oh man, look at that. So I didn't know what kind of wood this was. It looks like it's a curly maple, and this handle was all burned up. I mean, it was solid, but it was just pulled out of burned, like you pulled out of a bonfire, and Ed finished it. This is beautiful. Etched it with car logo. Finished it to pull, bring out that curly maple. It's beautiful. I don't even know if I want to put an axe head on this because it'll cover up some of the curl. I love it. It's laser engraved with what I think that's a phoenix. Rises from the ashes. It's awesome. Look at that. You can see the ripple texture from the curl. That's so cool. I've never really seen it that way. It's so smooth, and this is just gorgeous. All right. Thanks, Ed. What else we got? A handle. It's a slip fit handle. Looks like also curly, presumably maple. I don't know what this is. This is awesome. Look at that. It's a mallet. Dude, this is sweet. I love it. That beautifulness.
Wait, did you see the red beard on there?
Yes.
Okay.
Did I show it? I think I showed it. There it is. Nope.
Not to me.
That side. Bang some wedges in with that. That is awesome. Thank you, Ed. I appreciate it. These are awesome.